Hi there, it's Chris here again from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this LogoMart review. Now, I came across this product and while it looks really simple on the surface, I thought this is something that is really going to help people make money online. Now, what it basically is in a nutshell is just a collection of 500 to 1500 logo images and some editing instructionals, so you're able to create logos in any industry, any niche, and I guess use that logo for your business. Now, that sounds all well and good. I know creating a logo can often be expensive. I know certain websites that help you create a logo kind of pull you in, they make you design it, and at the end of it they're like, this is $99 after you've already spent the time creating it, and you kind of feel cheated. So while LogoMart is a cost-effective way to create a logo, that is not really where the value is. Another way to really make money online, another way to really just move the needle and just get out there and make money in a really practical way is to be a freelancer. And so this product stood out to me because this is great if you are wanting to do something on a freelance website that doesn't require a lot of heavy lifting, so that you can get as many clients as you want. The jobs you're doing has maybe a perceived value or a perceived time of taking a few hours, but really you're knocking out the job in a couple of minutes. And LogoMart is going to help you to do that. The reason for that is that LogoMart is being released with private label rights on all of the images. That means if you register as Fiverr on Upwork or Legiit or Freelancer or whatever, you can establish yourself as a logo designer, creator. You get jobs in from any niche, and you already have a template of images that you can just use, send back to the client, and you can be done with that job in say 10 minutes. So today we're going to take a deep dive into LogoMart, show you some of the images, show you exactly what you can expect, and as well as that I've thrown in some really great bonuses that I've sourced, handpicked, that I think can go hand in hand with LogoMart so that you really get the most out of it and you really hit the ground running. Now, before we get into that, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe, and also turn on that little bell notification. Also, if at any time during this video you want to jump ahead and check out the LogoMart sales page or check out LogoMart on your own, make sure you first click that link in the description. Okay, because if you do that, you'll be taken through to my bonus page, which looks like this, legal stuff at the top, as well as my contact details. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official LogoMart vendor sales page. Now, what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, it will lock in all of these bonuses before then sending you off to the vendor sales page. If you do decide to buy LogoMart, you will not only get LogoMart, but you will get all of my bonuses sent to you in one big bundle that you can access immediately. Not only that, you're going to get the vendor bonuses, which I'll talk about towards the end of this video. The first bonus I've gotten for you is a new product that's come out called Internet Marketing for Complete Beginners. So a couple of things you can expect in here is platforms for selling your products and services, which is going to tie into LogoMart. Powerful tools for internet marketers, secrets of successful affiliate marketers, how to get started with email marketing, how to get traffic from all different social media platforms, big mistakes that social media marketers make when they get started, as well as a bunch of myths surrounding internet marketing, so you really know how it works and exactly what you can expect. The second bonus I've gotten for you goes a little bit deeper than that. It's the Internet Marketer's Toolkit, and this goes into internet marketing a little bit deeper, the power of great content, how to do branding, because when your brand is good, it basically gives you a license to print money, building websites correctly, creating logos and graphic design, so that's going to help you again with LogoMart, and how to just develop your skills with internet marketing with some great resources that you can follow up on. The third bonus I've gotten for you is how to make money on Fiverr. So this is a great product if you're going to create logos for other people and make money by being a logo designer. A lot of demand out there. The more websites, the more entrepreneurs there are, the more businesses going up, the more people are going to be wanting logos for their business and their brand. Now, this is going to teach you how to get started on Fiverr and how to approach Fiverr in the most effective way, so you're maximizing the amount of profit that you can make. But also, Fiverr is really just like all the other platforms like Legiit and Upwork and Freelancer. So there's definitely going to be some crossover between the information included in Fiverr that you can apply to other platforms as well. So I definitely wanted to include this in there because if you are going to take that route and create logos for people, then there's a lot of invaluable information in here. The fourth bonus I've gotten for you is just to add on even more value. So basically in the front end, you're getting 500 logos, which I know is a lot, but I've decided to source 300 more for you. So even if you do only get the basic version of LogoMart, you're getting 800 logos. So if I remember correctly, there are different levels of LogoMart: 500, 1000, or 1500. So if you even get the minimum amount, you're getting more logos, designs than you are getting with any other person advertising this product. Fifth bonus, I've gone even deeper than that, and I've gotten you Graphics Diamond Box. Now, Graphic Diamond Box is going to include even more graphics. We've got characters, we've got YouTube thumbnails, we've got full HD backgrounds, we've got logo templates for business, and so much more. This is actually a massive file. It includes 610 plus conversion boosting graphic templates and done for you brand new marketing graphics. So maybe you want to upsell when you're selling to other people, you give them the logo, and then maybe you can offer them, you know, YouTube graphics and things like that as part of like a higher price package. That will be completely up to you. So those are the bonuses. There are more bonuses depending on what package you buy, which we'll talk about later, as I said. But if that all sounds good to you, step one, click the link in the description. You'll be taken through the bonus page. And if you lock in your bonuses with this, on these green buttons, you'll be taken through to the LogoMart sales page, which looks like this. And you can take a look at some of the graphics there on this page, what you can expect, what they look like. And you can just see there are just so many graphics in any niche you can think of here: agricultural, art design, even attorneys, law, automotive, bar and nightclubs, business and consulting, cleaning and maintenance, communications, community and non-profit, computers, construction, cosmetic beauty, dating, education, entertainment, fashion, floral, food and drink. It's just so many. Here's a couple more: superheroes, furnishings, to sport, to spa and aesthetics, to photography, fitness, political, security, religious, everything you can think of there. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. Under the green button will be LogoMart, and under the blue button will be all the bonuses that I just talked about. I will say that keep your eye on this countdown timer because this is the launch week special. So any bonuses, any exclusive pricing you're getting through my link will no longer be available when this hits 0. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the least price. So let's take a look at the pricing really quickly. Again, on my bonus page, you can see what to expect when you buy. So the front end is $12.95 if you want to just get LogoMart for your own benefit, for your own logos, okay? If you want the private label rights, so you want to be a freelancer and you want to be able to sell these, then it's an extra $3, okay? I would recommend doing it just in case, getting those private label rights. Front end, 500 pro level logo templates and your step-by-step editing tutorial videos. There will then be an upsell of a couple bucks, $24.95 and $29.95 respectively for the private label rights. But you're getting 1,000 logo templates, and you're also getting these 5 bonuses: digital graphics fire sale, how to create favicons, graphics mystic toolkit, graphics treasure chest, and power animator. The second upsell, $31.95 for personal, $37.95 with the private label rights. You're getting 1,500 logo templates as well as the tutorial videos, and 7 bonuses: vector blowout, 300 extra logo templates, 123 logo kit, easy 3D icon maker, Facebook templates pro, killer 3D icon maker, and mobile graphics toolkit. So a lot on offer there, a lot of value. And I will say that you do only need the front end offer to get access to all of my bonuses, which I talked about earlier. So don't think you need to get all these upsells to get my bonuses. You don't. So if you think about it, there's so much value on there. If you just go in on $12.95 or $15.95, you're getting all my bonuses. There's just not a lot of risk there. If you do have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. hit me up on social media or my email. I do reply to everyone. If not, enjoy Logo Maker, enjoy making money on freelance websites, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.